Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can use our stimulating hair oil as a pre-poo.
Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Yeah. She had the thing I love. Where she from I don't know. Rock she wears and go low. Pick up the place like a dojo.
So what a pre-poo is a simple oil treatment that you do before you wash your hair to add back moisture to the hair after a protective style or after any damage has been done to your hair. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First things first, make sure that you're always combing out the dead hair out of your head. So I'm going to do that before I apply the oil. So that's what I'm going to do now. This might not be the best comb to use, but I want to comb all of the little fuzzy stuff like this. I'm gonna comb all of that stuff out so that's not in there once I start to wash my hair. You want to start from the ends and then work your way up. And while you're doing this, you can actually heat the oil because this works better when the oil is hot. So while you're combing out your hair, you can start to boil the water to heat the oil. I wouldn't recommend putting it in the microwave because I don't think that's safe. And don't be alarmed by the amount of hair that you get once you start to comb out your hair. Especially if you had the protective or you kept the protective style in for a long time, you're expected to have lots of shedding. So just comb, and the bigger the comb, the I guess less painful it will be. But this isn't painful. It actually feels good because I haven't been able to scratch my scalp like that. Yeah, don't be like me. Use a wider tooth comb when you're combing out your hair. I'm just lazy. You see all of that build up. That's all what you want to comb out so it's not stuck once washing your hair. To me, I feel like this is where the smaller comb is handy because you're able to scratch up most of those. Just want to go through the hair and make sure you got everything. Okay, so this is about all the amount of hair that I just combed out from my head, which is not a lot because, like I said, my hair was in this style for about a month, so that wasn't bad. So you want to make sure you heat up the oil. You can either dip it in a bowl of water. That's what I did. I just caught some water in. I warmed it up that way. You want to warm it up, shake it. And then you just want to apply it. You can part your hair to help. I guess that would be good. Or if you have applicator tips, that would be easier for it to apply to. But you just want to mostly apply it to the roots, and then it'll naturally go towards the ends on its own. And if you don't have my stimulating hair oil, you are able to purchase it online, or you can just use just a few oils that you have at home. Like you can use olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil. All of those are oils that I use in my stimulating hair oil. You also want to focus on your edges, since these were out. You probably have probably cause strain on them if you were pulling your hair up a lot, or you know, these are always the problem spots, so you always want to make sure you apply oil there. And this feels really good. The oil itself feels good, but with it being warm, it just soothes into the scalp. And then what I do, I just get some, pour it in my hand, rub it together, and then just coat what's left. And then you want to just massage it. Y'all don't understand how good this feels. And you want to make sure you do this while washing your hair too. Just doing this helps to stimulate your follicles, get the blood flowing, so just massage. I'm gonna add some more. And you want to use your fingertips, not your nails, your fingertips, because your nails will snag. That's why it's always best when you're washing your hair that you make sure your nails are freshly manicured, because any snags or rips that you have in your nails will snatch on your hair and rip your hair and pull your hair out. So you want to make sure that your nails are manicured, or even wear a glove while washing your hair. I do that sometimes when it's time for me to get a fill or I just need to do my nails. I put on a pair of gloves and then I wash my hair, so I don't have to worry about no hair getting snagged in my fingernail, because that is kind of painful. So after you oiled it and you massage your scalp enough to your liking, you can cover it with a shower cap or a plastic bag. I'm gonna use a plastic bag to cover it. So I got these little bags from Dollar Tree. That's for my bathroom section, but I know a lot of people don't really have shower caps like that, or the disposable ones like that anymore, so I feel like more people will benefit with the trash bags. So you can twist up your hair before you put the shower cap on, but to me it's all going in the bag, so it doesn't matter. Just cover it. And then I made a mini turban. If you want to go the extra step to speed up this process, you can use a hooded dryer and, you know, stand there for about 15 to 30 minutes and then go ahead to proceed to shampoo your hair, because you don't really have to rinse this out. But I'm just gonna keep this on probably all night and then shampoo my hair in the morning. But this helps to just add back moisture that was taken out from the protective style back to your hair. And yeah, make sure you purchase your stimulating hair oil, because they do go out of stock really fast. So thank you for watching, and I hope you find this helpful.
Hello, 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 hello.